Welcome to Walsall Classic and Sports Car. Today we're pleased to offer to you this quite rare Mercedes SL63 AMG. It's a 2008 facelift model, fairly short production run. It's a low mileage car, fabulous service history and a high specification. Okay, so it's finished in Palladium Silver metallic with exclusive grey leather upholstery, smooth leather, perforated. It sits on these 19-inch AMG triple spoke alloy wheels, all shod with matching Pirelli P0 tyres. Lovely condition this car, low mileage, 45,000 miles from new. Just see the brakes there through the wheels there, all in good order. Okay, it's all original this car. Apart from a few stone chips just on the leading edge, it's almost faultless. The engine's running, no dents or anything down the doors, no parking dents. Apart from a few light stone chips to these leading edges from these big tyres, paintwork is in lovely condition. It's burbling along, 525 PS, power tailgate, glass panoramic roof, so keyless go and keyless start. Inside the car, this beautiful grey soft leather interior is in remarkable condition, virtually unmarked. Carpets, we have got some overmats as well, but the carpet's in great order. There's alloy sports pedals there. Heated and cooled memory seats for driver and passenger. We've got the carbon inlay, cruise control, electric steering column adjustment, DAB radio, Bluetooth. They're all the sports settings which you only get on these AMG models. Folding mirrors. Again, the carbon inlays to the centre console are rather nice. It's got fitment for a phone. No rear seats. We've got a factory windbreak, and quite nice is this Diseño Alcantara roof lining, which extends to the hard top, which has got the panoramic roof. There we've got the air scarf, multifunction steering wheel, paddle shift for the transmission, 7-speed gearbox. So there we are, just one lovely rare low mileage SL63 AMG, which must be in the most pleasing colour and trim combination. If you are interested, please give us a call on 01507 602222 or visit our website or either of our websites, which are www.walsideclassics.co.uk or www.thompsonandsmith.co.uk.